Okay, welcome back to Parapod. This is the newest file I got from Yang, and so I like to just quickly go through it. There's not much change. The only change is the door. The door we make it slightly taller, the same width, slightly taller, looks nicer, and that's it. And he also made a few scenes. So yeah, I just go through it quickly. This is the first one, 3D. Then we look at the floor plan. Click this, and then you see it shows the deck area. This is the swimming pool. This is we already shared. This is the square swimming pool. This shows the boundary of the cavity. This shows the edge, and that shows the thickness of the wall roughly. And then the rest underneath this just pure water. And but within this there's an open area for swimming. There is also wire mesh partition fence around so that no one can get underneath the deck. Okay, so this is the ladder coming down. Clearly show you the relative size of the human swimming area versus the entire pool. This is a pool within the pool. Okay, so we have to stress otherwise, because not most people cannot see right underneath, right? Okay, and then that's the floor plan. This is another floor plan showing the with the covering, showing that still the top view, but with the with the top floor. This is the square grow beds, right? Okay, and this is the rectangular grow bed. You can make using 5-inch gutters. Okay, and then just very simple IABS Sandponics. This is no cover, showing the review, the whole thing without the cover, so give you a clear view inside. See there's a ladder, there's a platform, central platform, you can stand on, and then this is the vegetable growing area. And also like in my case, I could even have a hanging garden. This rectangular grow bed hang from this middle level, and then you can also, if you want to grow more vegetable, right, do more growing, then you can even have a grow bed frame on the deck, and then another level of grow beds, right? So then you have more area for growing. So it depends, right? Depends how much food you want, how much vegetable you want to grow inside. And and that's it. So basically this is the simplest form of the aquaponic. It's called IABS Sandponics. Simply have a sand bag, and then you pump the water, right? The fish normally the fish will be underneath the deck, and then you pump the fish water to the top, and then the sand acts as physical and biofilter, and then so leaving the fish pool on the surface, so that their air can help cultivate the population of aerobic bacteria, and then aerobic bacteria will turn the ammonia into nitrate. That's why we use sand rather than using hydrotone, because this way you have the fish pool on the surface rather than at the bottom of the grow bed. This is the main problem, with the traditional or the conventional aquaponics. You have the fish pool end up in the bottom of the grow bed, and also they pump the water all the time, 24/7, which is not needed. And there's no oxygen, right? No air in the water, no air at the bottom of the water, so that won't be good for aerobic bacteria cultivation. So that's why we like to use sand. So simple, so easy. So I know there's a better way. If you have a longer bed, right, then the IABS suggests you build channels with sand, so that the fish water entering not just from one point, but it's flow to from one end to another, right? That's spread the fish pool around, which is better. But it depends, right? It depends. As long as you filter it, right, using sand, as long as you make leave the fish pool on the surface, that's okay. So anyway, and so that's why I use the gutter system. The gutter system automatically form the channel for the water to flow from one end to another and then drain out, right? So I know I'm testing, right? This is just my idea, but I'm testing. I'm gonna test, right, and show you the result. I'm still waiting for the cover to come, and then I can, once I install the cover, and then I can put up all the gutter grow beds. Okay. This is the front view. I mean, just the view, looking from one end of the entrance, right? This the entrance that you enter, and then you see a ladder. It's blurry because there's a layer of fabric for the door. So we plan to use zipper. It's a zipper sealed door, and then you zip it, and then you can open, enter. And the summertime you can take it off, leave both ends open for air. Some people like to swim, and then the wind blows through the air, and then you feel nice. And let's look at the side view. This is a side view, just showing from the side, and then the rear view, the other side. This is the side has a large deck, stepped deck. Then you can sit here, over the edge, enjoy the view around, so that's for summertime this is a perfect place to hang around, and then rest, right? So lots of area for the decking, so you can even camp here, right? You can camp here, and you can turn to something else, so this is something basically give you a combination of swimming pool with IABS sandponics, basically give you the so both system increase the thermal mass that is needed to store enough to convert enough solar thermal energy into in water, and then store there. So to create a stable system, stable water body to maintain the base of the temperature. Yeah. So you need, once you have massive thermal mass inside any building, and then you create a stable and a steady state, right? So that's the important portion of the whole design. And then we have the section view from the section, and the see-through. You see the ladder, right? The ladder lean against this, and yeah, and then you can stand here and tend your vegetables. Okay. Yeah, so this is the section 1, section 2. Just looking the whole thing from the other side. Another side. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. So this is we believe this is the one all-in-one design that meet all the needs. Whether it's a swimming pool, you have it, right? Whether it's aquaponics grow system, you have it, right? And there's a lot of other ways you can use it once you have a large flat and deck, right? So there's a lot you can do with this design. Yeah. So this is we believe this one most people will love it, because you have covered swimming pool, right? And it's all climate. Okay. So it's very good. Yeah. Okay, good. Well, yeah, that's it. Hope you like it, and
Alright, sure.
make sure you subscribe to my channel. There is more to come. Once I get the cover, I'm gonna make a video. And also, by the way, recently CBC Radio interviewed me. Just radio, right, station. They will. I'll let you know when the radio program will be broadcast, and then I'll see whether I can use, because I use the backyard webcam to shoot the whole process, right? Maybe I can make get the audio, I don't know, and then just make sure match with the with the video I captured. Yeah. So anyway, that's it, and so until next time.